Today is March 20th, 2001. We're on the 85th floor, starting in what was the mail room, facing in an easterly direction, showing the hung ceiling and the light fixtures. The ceiling tiles were recently removed. We're proceeding easterly. I was facing southerly, coming back to an easterly direction. And we're coming up to the far easterly end of the new construction, which will be the file clerk storage area. Painting around to a northerly direction, basically northeasterly, and we are showing bar joist 245, the north side of it. Showing much repairs. This exposed area is consistent with the ones previously shown, with the fireproofing being within a ½ inch of thickness. Coming around to show the north side of bar joist 247, painting from an easterly to a westerly direction. I'll move around to the south side of 247. Again, painting from an easterly to a westerly direction. I'm going to zoom in on an I-beam that's just above 247. Again, the fireproofing is approximately a ½ inch plus in thickness. I'll pan around to bar joist 245. On the northerly side of it. We're going to show a bar joist, approximately number 30. It's either 309 or 311. running from south to north. Moving further west, seeing another I-beam. This is approximately 314 to 316.
Yeah, this is you right here. Mr. Wise? Where'd you get? Going back. Where'd you get? Let's go.
Okay, that's all we can see in this area. We're going to pause for a moment. All right, we're now entering what was the east end of the mailroom. And we're at the partition, where the old partition was removed, facing in a southwesterly direction, panning around to a westerly direction. We're going to cover I-beam in the 245 area from east to west. And again, the chipped away area indicates the fireproofing only to be approximately a ½ inch in thickness. It will show part of an I-beam that is lacking any fireproofing. .249, 245 terminates at this point. We're going to pause momentarily. We're now continuing on the east side of I-beam at 247.
Jackie Edlin, who started yesterday. Right. Not good, but I understand what the problem is. Doesn't have some things, but she logs one with her initials. She gets Carla Blanche's email. She has all of Carla's old email. Tanya says when she logs on, and that's she also gets Carla's replies. Okay, so Jackie goes on to when she takes on start program. You know how we have the standard, well actually most, I think, when we go over, we have like accessory.
Okay, again, this I-beam terminates at this point.
She doesn't get, like the HBW forms that we use, so I'm not sure how to put in time sheets. And she doesn't have that.
We're going to move down to I-beam at 249 area. Picking up just a bit of it, showing a lack of fireproofing. We're going to go to I-beam approximately 251.
But actually, let me take that, just so I make sure that I have it right on my head straight. And I talked to Christine about all of her documents.
This area shows the fireproofing to be less than a ½ inch. And that's all we can videotape on this portion of the room. We're going to move into the... we're now facing westerly in the mail room. And we're going to be photographing, videotaping the I-beam in the 245 area. And that starts right about here. And that will finish that. And at the south end of the room, we have the I-beam which runs north and south.
Hey, Bobby, go.
And then we have the I-beam at 247. This is on the north side of it. I'm going to pause momentarily. We're now looking at I-beam 316, approximately 316. coming more to the northerly end of 316. There's another short section of I-beam. To the west of the one previously shown. I'll move into the westerly portion of the mailroom. We'll move down to 322, 322, and then down to 330. And we are at the westerly partition wall of the mailroom. And again, the fireproofing only showing to be approximately a ½ inch. And the I-beam that's on the extreme north partition wall. Difficult to show with the ceiling fixture still in place. And that will conclude the videotaping in this area.